Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and whatever day you're watching this video. Those that are currently subscribed to my channel, welcome back. And those that are seeing me for the first time or wondering if they should go ahead and subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're going to start on a little TJ Maxx haul. Just something that I ran in TJ Maxx real quick just to see what they got. And these are the items that I found. So these are between beauty to purse essentials to beverages. So let's begin. First up, I have the Yes to Carrots Moisturizing Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF Broad Spectrum. This was on clearance for $3, and I will leave information on what it normally is. This is, let's see, what's the instruction? Carrots are packed with beta carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect and nourish your skin, and add pumpkin, aloe, and vitamin E to mix, and your skin is a moisturizing treat. Next up, I thought this was super cute. These are Crayon Pencils, and this was $4.99 from Absolute New York. Royal Plum, Champagne, and Cafe Latte. And excuse my hand because I did another video prior to this, so you still see the swatches and I completely forgot, so my bad. This was $4.99. I thought it was super cute. I can't wait to try it. Either I will see if I can use it to put multiple colors at once, or if I can just use it as one color eyeshadow on my eyes. Argan Oil from, I think it's Omshi, O-M-S-H-E, Aromatherapy, Australian made night cream, and this is an argan oil, $5.99, and this is 1.694 ounces. And this is a little night cream that you can use. I did use this last night after I did my daily night routine of cleaning my face and everything and toning it, and I put this on and my face felt so smooth. That's just one day, so I can't wait to see if I keep using what the benefits are. Next up is the makeup removing cleansing pads from Precision Beauty with Retinol. It has 60 pads in here, or 60 wipes. This was, I think, $3.99. I used this for a week just to test it out. By the end of the week, all this here was burning. I didn't even use the wipes yet. Like, as soon as I just touched my face, it just started burning, like my face was set on fire. And that's after a week of using it. So I will no longer be using this, but this is what I picked up. I don't know if it's just me, if it's my skin, or if it's just like that in general. So consumer beware if you purchase this. I'm not sure if it's going to have the same reaction as it did for me. Next up is the Fat Girl Sleep, and this is $5.99. I tried looking it up because I wanted to look online to see how much it retailed for, but I could not find any information other than on Amazon. I think this was discontinued, and I could not find out the reason why. So if you happen to know, please leave it in the comments below and let me know. So it's $5.99. I think on Amazon they were selling it for $38. And this is supposed to be like a cellulite cream for at nighttime when you go to bed. So, and it has the smell of lavender. They said on the instructions you are to rub this in 20 to 30 seconds prior to you going to sleep. If you put this on and you are not planning to go to bed right away, you will fall asleep because of the lavender. I could not figure it out at first, like, why do I gotta put it on 20-30 seconds before I go to sleep? I don't know when I'm going to bed. As soon as I put this on, I want to say within minutes I was knocked out cold because of the lavender. So it has a very good smell, that lavender smell. So if you don't like lavender, I wouldn't recommend this. But I did put it on, like my problem, I did put it on my stomach, my arms, and my thighs. And I have the waist trimmers, and I have the trimmers that you put around your arms and your thighs. So I applied this on, and I put that on, and I went to sleep. And that, when I woke up, it was a little bit tighter in this area. That was just on one day, so I'm curious to see how it works out once I continue using QD. This is a wallet with matching charging brick. This was on clearance for $8 at TJ Maxx. This is Android. You have the Android and iPhone compatible. This is just a stylish little charging brick. You just throw this in your purse. Then you have a little wallet as well, and that's $8, which I thought was cute. Individual Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow pot, and this is in the color Topaz, and this was $3.99. And it's very, I think it's very, I have not used it, but it is very pretty. I could not find, I went to like a couple TJ Maxx. I couldn't find any other colors but this color. But if I find any more, I will get some more individual ones. Anastasia Beverly Hills blush palette, and this is $19.99. I've seen on Instagram where some people found it marked for $3.99. So lucky them, but not in my TJ Maxx. Have these pretty colors here. I have yet to use it, so I will be trying it out in the future to see how it works on my complexion. And I'm also looking for, this is in Radiant. I want to look for the one that's Gradient, the Gradient palette. That's more of a deeper shade, I think, for me. Tazo Chai. This is the caffeinated chai latte. This is chai vanilla caramel latte. These you can either drink it with just milk and mix it, or you can just pour it over ice by itself, or you can add milk in this and pour it over ice. This one was, the decaf was $1.50, and this was $1.99 at TJ Maxx. I seen this on Britt. I'll put it in here. I put it on Britt Null's, my bad. I think I seen it on Britt Null's on one of her most recent videos, and she was making a chai latte, and as soon as the same day I went to TJ Maxx and I seen it, I had to get it because I love chai lattes. Thanks Britt Null for showing me the way and putting this in my life so I can make as many cafe lattes for the next 6 months thanks to you. These are supposed to be all natural. These have a rich blend of flavorful teas, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and vanilla. And this is a creamy blend of creamy vanilla caramel notes with black tea and caramel chai spices. Blend with milk and enjoy hot or iced. It's the end of my haul. Let me know what you think. Do you like these items? What did you find at TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Burlington? And stay tuned for my other upcoming videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.